Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing, and then we're going to take a really close look at this Simtect crystal clear kickstand case for iPhone 13. This is a really beautiful, simple case, but with great functionality. And you can see you got that nice little tab. You just pull that to get that out of the box. There we go. And you get more than just the case in this box, which is one of the things that makes it so cool. Got this nice cleaning cloth to make sure your phone is nice and clean before you put the case on there. And you also get two covers for the camera bump. So you can put these over the camera bump on the iPhone 13, and you can see it's even got the little black ring around the LED, and that keeps it from glaring when you use the LED light, which is awesome. And you get two of these, so just in case if you have an issue putting one on, you do have a backup. So that's really great that you get those. And then this is the star of the show. This is the case itself. So let's pull that out, and here you go. Nice, beautiful, simple, crystal clear case. And you've got the nice soft TPU bumper around the outside with the harder crystal clear shell on the back, and then you've got that kickstand built into it, and there's almost no bump where the kickstand is, which is what really makes this case stand out in comparison to others. Now first, you do have this protective film, and I'm going to take that off so that we can see this in its true crystal clear glory. Now we're going to do the look-through test. I'm going to hold this all the way up to my camera. You might see some glare from the lights, but other than that, you can see. You would not know that you were looking through the case right now because that's just how crystal clear it is. Now as I pull it away, you see that glare, but really crystal clear to allow the beauty of your iPhone 13 to show through when you're using this case. So that's great. Let's take a look at the buttons. You've got perfect buttons for your volume control, cutout for your vibration button. You've got your nice raised button for your power button. You've got perfect cutouts for your lightning power cord as well as your speakers. And then what else is great is you have this nice little lip. You can kind of see that. It's just a slightly raised lip to protect the front screen of your camera. So even if you lay it face down, it's going to be protected. You also have a nice raised camera bump to protect the lens. So you can choose to use these protectors or not, but this is a bonus. So you can put these over your camera lenses along with the case. The case has a raised lip that will protect your camera lenses on your phone, but this adds extra protection, an extra layer of protection if you want to use that as well. So really awesome that they include that. Looking at the protective factors, you also have this nice air cushion in every single corner. See that? So if you were to drop it, corners of course are the worst place for your phone to hit. Often lead to lots of shattering of the screen, but at least with this case you've got a great bumper. In every corner you've got that air cushion to help protect your phone. Now the star of this case, besides it being so crystal clear and protective, is the kickstand. And you can see there's almost no raised bump on this case for that kickstand. It's kind of miraculous how they do that. It's a nice high quality, and when it's closed, it's closed. It's not going to come open. It's got a really strong hinge, but when it's closed, look at that. It's almost completely flush with the back of the phone. You wouldn't even hardly know it's there. That's very unusual for a kickstand phone to be able to do that. And this kickstand is great. It allows 3 different positions. You can have it like that vertically. So if you're doing a FaceTime or something, you can also have it like this. And then you can also have it like that, which angles it a little bit more back. So great for Zoom or FaceTime, or if you're watching a movie or something on a plane, you can just put that kickstand, drop it down, you're good to go. So really great functionality out of that kickstand, but again, look at that. Almost zero bump. Not even noticeable at all when you're holding your phone. So that's really excellent design by Simtect when it comes to the way they install that kickstand to be able to get that functionality without adding any bulk or having any bump on the back of your phone. having great, nice, soft TPU protection around the sides, great gripping, but also giving you great protection, and then having that beautiful crystal clear back so that the beauty of your iPhone 13 can show through. So really, really excellent, excellent case by Simtect, and definitely a case that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.